Hey, welcome back everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you a website in which you could potentially earn up to $120 for just 30 minutes of work for free. There's no affiliate marketing here or needing a website. You just visit the website and do what is required. Before we discuss the video, remember to subscribe because on this channel, we want to share with you all of the ways you can make passive income online. And if you subscribe, you won't miss any of our daily uploads. Okay, let's visit userfield.com. So what is Userfield? Userfield is a website in which you get paid to be a tester. You test websites and their functionality. If you click here on Get Paid to Test, you'll be directed to this page, which explains more in detail about what you can expect. Stay with me until the end of this video so you don't miss any of the important steps. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what their customers are looking for from a tester. You can see real examples of the work. It's giving your opinion on a website. How easy is that? You conduct usability tests on websites. Your job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. You never have to pay for anything during the actual tests. You just have to follow their instructions, which might lead you to the card details page. But you don't ever have to buy anything to make this method work. In order to get paid $10 per test, you need to have an up-to-date operating system on your computer and a microphone. It doesn't have to be an expensive microphone, just a cheap one. The voice quality doesn't need to be a studio standard. Use fake details when conducting the test, because it's only a test. They encourage this, so don't worry about it. You will have to go through a quick qualification test before you are able to earn money. They just want to prove that you're a real person and you can follow simple assignments easily. Some things to bear in mind here about what it takes to become a good tester. You must speak loudly and clearly into the microphone. You need to perform the test in a quiet place with no background noise that will disturb the tests. You need to be continuously explaining what you're doing on the website and why. For example, if you're testing a clothing store, you need to talk as you browse and explain why you are looking at that yellow shirt and why you just clicked that, etc., etc. You need to provide useful comments and propose things that would help you perform the task better. Then, you need to answer the questions in writing at the end of the test. It sounds like more work than it actually is, so don't worry. It's such a simple method and you can start making money by sitting at your computer, giving your opinions on a website. So simple. But wait, let me tell you how you get paid. Well, of course with PayPal. So make sure you take note of your PayPal details before filling out the required information. Some users receive more than 5 tests per day, and the more experienced ones could earn upwards of 10 tests per day. That's a potentially huge amount of money for doing such simple work. Better than sitting in an office for 7 hours a day with people you probably hate, right? Click on the Become a Tester button once you have read through this page. They will ask you a lot of questions and they give you different options to select, such as devices available for testing. Sign up once you go through all the questions, and that's it. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I hope you can also subscribe to us here at Blackline Financial so you don't miss any of our Make Money Online uploads. Until next time.